Hello students, welcome to Standard 8 Science online class. Students, now we are learning our unit 10 changes around us. In our today online class, we are going to continue with the topic effects of chemical changes. You know that every chemical reaction requires a specific condition. So when chemical reactions take place, definitely there will be production of heat, light, sound and pressure. Along with heat, light, sound and pressure, so many other effects also produce due to chemical changes. So let me explain you one by one. First effect is biological effects. In the topic biological effects, first we going to learn about spoilage of food and vegetables. Students, food spoilage may be defined as any change that causes food unfit for human consumption because the chemical reactions catalyzed by the enzymes result in the degradation of food quality in the form of development of bad taste and odor, and also deterioration and loss of nutrients. Deterioration and loss of nutrients. Deterioration meaning மோசமடைகிறது. For example, rotten eggs develop a bad smell due to formation of hydrogen sulfide gas, and also decaying of vegetables and fruits due to microbes. These are biological effects of chemical change. And then next topic is rancidity of fishes and meat. Fishes and meat containing high level of polyunsaturated fatty acids, so which undergo oxidation. It causes bad odor when exposed to air or light. So this process is called as rancidity. Our next topic is apples and fruits turn brown when cut. Apples and some fruits turn brown due to chemical reaction with oxygen in air. So this chemical reaction is called browning. See, in this picture there are two different types of potato given. One is white in color, another one is brown in color. So this is because of chemical reaction with the oxygen in air. So this chemical reaction is called browning. The cells of apples, fruits and other vegetables contain an enzyme called polyphenol oxidase or tyrosinase. So the vegetable and fruit contain an enzyme called polyphenol oxidase or tyrosinase. Important 1 mark question. So when it contact with the oxygen, it catalyzes a biochemical reaction. So which is phenolic compounds present in plants become brown pigment known as melanins. Our next topic is environmental effects. The first one is pollution. Students, you know that our environment provides air to breathe, water to drink and the land to produce food. So due to industrial processes, so because of industries and increasing number of automobiles, our environment is badly affected. So nowadays So there is an unwanted change in the physical, chemical and biological properties of the environment. So this is termed as pollution. So the substance which cause this change are called pollutant. Generally there are three types of pollutions: air pollution, water pollution and land pollution. So due to increasing human activities, lot of chemical substances, for example shampoo, detergents, cosmetics, like that, chemical substances are produced artificially, so which harm all the living and non-living things. So the type of chemical substances and their effects are: air pollution, chemical substances which contain are carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, oxides of sulfur, oxides of nitrogen, chlorofluorocarbon CFC, which is liberating from the fridge, and then methane. And then effects are acid rain. Acid rain and global warming, and also some respiratory problem are due to air pollution. And then second one is water pollution. Water pollution, the chemical substances are wastewater containing chemical substances like dyeing industries, detergents, oil spilling, etc. And then effects are: it decrease in the quality of water and then also cause skin diseases. Water pollution will affect our skin and it cause skin disease. Third one is land pollution. Chemical substances are fertilizer like urea, various pesticides, herbicides, solid waste, plastics, etc. And then spoilage of land, cancer, respiratory diseases are the effects of land pollution. Our next topic is rusting. Students, in this picture there are number of barrels arranged. So you can see that barrels are reddish brown in color. And also what happened to the steel benches and the tables during rainy season? They also will turn into reddish brown. Do you know why? This is because when iron metal come into contact with the water and oxygen, it undergoes chemical reaction called rusting. So important 2-mark question, define rusting. When iron metal come into contact with water and oxygen, it undergoes a chemical reaction called rusting. Our next topic is tarnishing of metal articles. Students, in this picture there are 2 spoons. So the first one is bright color and then second one is lost their shining appearance. This is because of chemical reaction. So the shiny metal surfaces and the other articles lost their shining appearance due to chemical reactions on the surface. For example, silver articles become black when exposed to atmospheric air. Similarly, brass vessel which contain copper as one of the constituent develop a greenish layer when exposed to air for a long time. This is due to chemical reaction. So the chemical reaction is between copper and moist air. to form basic copper carbonate and copper hydroxide. So this is the reason the shining articles lost their appearance. Our next topic is production of heat, light, sound and pressure due to chemical reaction. The first one is production of heat. Students, have you ever rubbed your palm in winter season or in some other time? So, have you noticed that heat produced when you rubbed your palm? And also some chemical reaction produced heat energy also. So, such reaction are called exothermic reaction. For example, when you add water to quicklime, which is known as calcium oxide, lot of heat is released to produce slaked lime, so which is known as calcium hydroxide. So this is the example for production of heat. And then second one is production of light. So when you ignite a candle, so when you light a candle, you get light energy. So as a result of burning, some chemical reactions produce light. For example, when a piece of magnesium ribbon is burnt in a flame, bright light is produced with heat. Even the fireworks used during festival times produce different colors, which are due to chemical reaction. Our next topic is production of sound. Students, when we speak, sound is produced. So like that, when you hit metals like iron, copper, etc., it also produces a sound. So or a sound is here. Like that, some chemical reactions do produce sound when they take place. What happened when you fire crackers during Deepavali? The chemical substances present in the crackers undergo some chemical reactions to produce sound. Our last topic is production of pressure. Students, when you compress hard a balloon having full of air, so it will burst. This is due to sudden release of air from the balloon as a result of increased pressure on compression. So some chemical reaction produce gases which increase the pressure. So when the reaction takes place in closed container, that's very important. When the reaction takes place in a closed container, so you know that balloon is a closed system. So when you give or when you compress, it will burst due to some pressure. So if the pressure level goes beyond the limit, we get the explosion. The explosive and the fireworks burst because of this reason. So when they are ignited, they explode due to pressure generated by gases which present in that chemical. Those you hear a huge sound. Students, up to this topic our lesson is over. In our next online class, I will give book back exercise 1 mark question answers. So kindly follow the instruction and then prepare well for your test. Thank you. Have a nice day.